As a respiratory therapist, it's my job to help people breathe easier. Honestly, I didn't realize how much help I needed until I tried these intake magnetic breathing strips. They're so simple to use. Just clean your nose with an alcohol pad. Then you place one of these magnetic tabs on each side of your nose and just listen to the difference. That's before, after. So whether you're dealing with a little congestion, snoring, or just need a little extra airflow, these intake magnetic breathing strips are definitely worth checking out.